At this correctional hearing, we have 3 files on the roll. All files concern offenses and complicity of committing female circumcision.
D'excision et de complicité d'excision.
La loi comporte 2 volets essentiellement.
The law essentially targets all perpetrators of female circumcision and their accomplices. Anyone who is aware of this offense and who does not report it is also liable of punishment if the prosecutor and the judge are informed.
De sanctions.
De façon concrète,
Anyone convicted of committing female circumcision will be sentenced to serve time in correctional facilities.
The application of this law, which portrays the commitment of the government of Burkina Faso to eradicate female genital mutilations, FGM, has been made possible through the technical and financial support of the UNICEF-UNFPA joint program. This program, which covers 16 countries, has been implemented in Burkina Faso since 2009.
The program contributed to financing all programs related to raising awareness on the existence of this law by further publicizing the 3 main articles of the Penal Code. Another important aspect of the joint program is the support of the government in terms of capacity building by providing trained agents and appropriate material to all provincial direction of Ministry of Social Action where the program is run. All these different types of support enable a better application of the law on the ground.
Afin que la loi soit appliquée.
Adopting the law is a good thing, and many people now know that it exists.
People are aware that it's forbidden. Female circumcision is forbidden.
A law was passed to ban the practice of female circumcision. Anyone who goes against this law will be in trouble.
The following strategies are implemented to ensure better enforcement of the law: the establishment of a telephone line, capacity building of stakeholders of the judicial chain of human rights, providing social and health services, the organization of advocacy and awareness-raising campaigns, frequent gendarmerie and police patrols, the integration of FGM modules into school curricula, health and psychological care, and community outreach.
Mobile courts constitute an official device of the judicial system. Magistrates themselves go to local communities to render justice close to the litigant. It's clear that the advantages are important because it combines both awareness and repression practices.
Lorsque nous sommes informés,
When we are informed of a case of female circumcision, we ask the informant for as much information as possible before contacting the nearest police or gendarmerie.
disponibilité du poste dans la localité donnée.
Nous, en tant qu'officiers de police,
As police officers, we work closely with informants. Once we get information from our informants and focal points, we deploy teams on the field.
nous partons sur le terrain.
l'audience correctionnelle de ce jour est ouverte.
Today's correctional hearing is open. Please have a seat.
I circumcised children in Boudrin and someone reported me. That is how my husband and I got locked up.
We are judges. We apply all laws voted by deputies. And in the 1996 Penal Code, deputies estimated that the sentence for someone who is guilty of female circumcision or in complicity in female circumcision should be from 6 months to 3 years.
This law, topped with all the measures taken by the government to ensure its implementation, has enabled Burkina Faso to achieve great progress in promoting the abandonment of female genital mutilation, FGM. Thus, from 2009 to 2015, 255 actors in the fight against FGM were provided with knowledge to strengthen legal measures to protect the rights of women and girls. 468 network relay facilitators and 900 relay corps members were equipped to better understand the law against the practice of FGM. 175 reports of FGM cases were recorded, 96 of which were reported through the emergency green line. 327 people, including 52 circumcisers, were convicted. 120 girls were saved after cases were reported. In 2010, the Demographic Health Survey revealed that 99.6% of women and 98% of men between the ages of 15 and 49 heard about the practice of FGM and the existence of a law that prohibits it. The prevalence rate for the 0 to 14 age group decreased from 76% in 1996 to 13% in 2015. All these results have been made possible thanks to the involvement of all actors in the fight against female genital mutilations.
I remember that there was a meeting on female circumcision where all traditional leaders were invited. At this meeting, the chief of Zogo declared that anyone who favored the practice of FGM be imprisoned. We created a framework of coordination between us traditional leaders, and we meet every 6 months. During our meeting, we ask each leader to educate all his subordinates on the fight against female circumcision. It requires a combination of efforts, a synergy of action. We might need to insist more on the involvement of resource people such as religious leaders, traditional leaders, and opinion leaders. It is a symbiotic work which, in addition to allowing the practice of a rigorous law, can allow us to achieve the objective of eradicating FGMs. We encourage our community members to report to the authorities anyone, regardless of their background, who might be engaged in the practice of female circumcision. This is a fight that cannot be led individually. The Department of Social Services, the police or the gendarmerie will not succeed without our involvement. We must always report. When we look at the objectives we have set, we can say that they are satisfying because one of the first achievements we were able to reach is the legal framework. Burkina Faso is an example country in terms of law enforcement within a legal framework that is also applied. We are satisfied with the choice of the city of Ouargla to hold today's mobile court.
We welcome the idea of holding the mobile court today in Ouargla. It will contribute to accelerating the end of the practice of FGM in the province of Koupelgo.
We are satisfied on the trends as well as the achievement we have reached. For less than 30 years of engagement in the fight against FGMs, the trends are very good. We have reached a drop of more than 10 points on the prevalent rate. I can tell you that is something. We are working in terms of prospect with all awakening councils. We hope that councils at the community and the provincial level can play this role of perpetuating the gain with more public declaration on the abandonment of female genital mutilation.
Applying the law in its entire rigor and the involvement of all stakeholders resulted in reaching significant results. More so, a total conversion of former traditional captors will allow us to finally get rid of this harmful practice.
Circumcisers need to serve their sentence time. After their release, we organize conversion workshops and work with them.
En termes de reconversion,
In terms of conversion, the first step is to get the circumcisers understand the hurt they are causing by cutting someone's genital parts. After that, giving up becomes easier. So, it's important to get them understand first before involving them in awareness-raising activities in a way that the decision to totally abandon the practice of FGM and refuse future solicitations becomes natural.
D'abord, elle a aimé.